so today I'm gonna be, my aunt's gonna be rating my Fidgets. She's playing with my baby brother right now. Here she is. Say hey. Oh, sorry. Okay, so
This tangle.
It's hard to find.
You know, I really do appreciate a good tangle toy. I'm gonna say.
Here, wait. Can you come more in so they can see it?
I'm gonna say 8 out of 10.
Okay, 8 out of 10. Okay.
8 out of 10.
How about this triple dimple?
Ooh. You know, I like this more than the.
Come on.
I like this more than the Poppet.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Another 8 out of 10.
Pot tube. These.
Pull it apart really fast and watch Bennett freak out.
Okay. What do you rate it?
Ooh. Y'all hear that?
ASMR.
I'm gonna give this one 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Kind of hard to put back together though.
I guess it is harder than you'd think.
Okay, how about this? It pops.
Ooh, an even bigger one.
Here. That's it. Pops it. There you go.
Oh no. Oh. What? No. Try to eat the cell phone or the iPad charger.
Oh.
I like the
Mr.
smaller
Roomba.
one.
Sorry, it's the vacuum.
Now you gotta watch out for
This one's 7 out of 10. I like the
7?
smaller one.
Okay, Mom, can you turn the vacuum off, please?
Just for you in the video.
Thank you. Wait, why did you rate this 7?
I like the smaller one better.
Okay, so you rate it like a 7? Nope. Okay, what's this? Also for this, like, ladder? This ladder?
Wow. I had that when I was a kid. Just for nostalgia reasons, let's go ahead and throw this one at a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
If anyone on this YouTube channel is, yeah, y'all know.
A 90s baby.
If you know, you know.
Okay.
IYKYK.
What do you rate this marble and mesh?
Marble and mesh.
Can you see the ladder? Thank you.
Marble and mesh. Benny loves it.
It says 10 out of 10.
It's
And
my
it
baby
says
brother.
10 out of
It's a
10.
baby brother.
I don't get it. Mine isn't. It's not doing what I want it to do.
Okay. Okay, so next is pea popper. You pop the peas.
Oh, this one's 10 out of 10. The peas are just way too stinking cute.
Okay, what about this?
Whoa, sorry, Benny.
What
I
about
almost
the-
took you out.
What about the poppet? I have like 11.
I don't get it.
8 out of 10.
Like,
Mom, you.
oh, wait.
Okay. Oh, putty.
Oh, there it goes.
I think you like putty. Jen likes slime, so you probably
I
like
love slime.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do a part 2, okay? Bye!